Hi everyone, I'm Rick Davis. I'm City Manager of Baytown, and I'm here with Assistant Director of Public Works Kevin Harvill. We thought it would be a great idea to give you an update of where we are with the North Main project and when we can expect it to be completed. So Kevin, we're out here. What's happening right now out here on North Main?
We're finishing up panel replacement. We should be poured out Saturday with all the delineation picked up Monday morning and North Main completely open. We're in the bid process right now for accepting bids for the grinding portion of this. We should have the bid opening November 4th. Award in December with grinding to start in January or February depending on the contractor's option.
Well, that's great. Now that's a really important point. There are some folks that think, well, we're just going to replace the panels and that's it. But there's clearly more to this process than simply replacing the panels.
Yes, sir. We will come in and do what we call a dowel bar cross stitch, stitching the cracks together, kind of like sewing. We'll diamond grind. After that, we'll reset all the manholes. Then we'll seal, crack seal, and joint seal to make sure to seal and keep water from penetrating into our subsoil.
Well, that's great. And we're done with the whole project in April?
In April.
Okay, April 2021, we're done. Now, one of the things that we hear also is, boy, couldn't it have been a lot quicker process if we had just reconstructed the whole road?
No, sir. Reconstruction would have been a lot longer process, 4 or 5 times as long, and cost a whole lot more money.
Yeah, what are we spending for this?
We're thinking about 2.2, 2.3, depending on how the bids
and
come in.
And total reconstruction would have cost?
11 to 14.
Okay,
million.
14 million
Yeah.
dollars. Oh, great. Well, that is a tremendous cost savings. You know, also, there aren't a lot of people in Baytown that have actually seen this whole diamond grinding, the results of the diamond grinding, but we actually have a street here in Baytown that recently went through that process of diamond grinding.
Yes, sir, we do.
You want to show us that?
Yes, sir, let's go take a look.
Great. So Kevin, we're out here on San Tabby, and this was a street that was recently a product of diamond grinding, wasn't it?
Yes, sir, this is about a year-old diamond grinding project we've completed.
Boy, it looks smooth as glass out here. It's great shape of the road. Main Street, same kind of process.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look the same as this?
Yes, sir, it will look the same. There are 2 different types of materials, so you'll be able to see the patches a little bit, but it'll be the same smooth ride.
And of course, the striping, everything, smooth ride, but different kinds of materials that we've used out on North Main, but still going to be diamond grind, very smooth ride.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very smooth ride.
Great. Well, I look forward to it. This is a beautiful road. We're glad that you joined with us today to talk about North Main. We'll try to update you in the future as well as we get closer to the conclusion of this project. Thanks for your patience and thanks for being a part of our family here in the city of Baytown.